How to create business envelope on Microsoft Word. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create business envelope easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Microsoft Word. Now this is the home page. Go to the top right here and click on education. After you click on education, it will take you to this page. Here you will find many templates. Just go down until you find this technology business envelope. If you didn't find it, just go to the top and search for business envelope. Click on it like this and click create. Now you can change the name and add your business name or whatever you want right here. You can change the logo and anything. After you finish, just go to the top corner and click the save option and everything will be saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.